Hello Year 1, Mrs Hamilton here. Hope you've all had a lovely half term. So we're now going to do a computer lesson and we're going to jump straight into Purple Mash. So if you remember, put in Purple Mash at the top here and make sure that you've gone on to the Standards Barn Primary School school site in your school portal, but it should all work directly to there now. We've been on it quite a bit. So at the top here you put in your name. And in the second box, just here, you put in your password and then click Login. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you two short videos that you will have seen before, talking about how you sit correctly at a computer or device and how you use your fingers for typing. So can you all show me your fingers, your 10 fingers? Can you wiggle your little fingers? Can you wiggle your thumbs? Can you wiggle all 3 fingers in the middle? And then all of them together? I think we're probably ready. Excellent. So let's have a little look first of all. We'll go into Tools and we go into Tube Type. Let's have a little look at some of the posture tips. So that's how we sit.
Let's take a look at how we should sit at the computer. It's not a good idea to sit like this. It can hurt your back. That's much better. Oh no, that isn't right. Remember to put your feet on the floor and sit up straight. Check to see if your eyes are level with the top of your screen. Oh no, that's not good for your eyes. Sit back a little. Put your fingers on the keyboard. Make sure your wrists are not touching anything. Take a little break every 10 minutes to relax your body. Your eyes need a little break too. You don't want to strain them. Well done. Now you are ready to type.
So then guys, let's have a go at the typing instructions. Let's watch this video.
Your fingers and their names. ToType is intended to help you with keyboard familiarity. The main goal is to improve your speed and accuracy. One proven way to help achieve this is to use the keyboard in a certain way with your fingers on specific keys, as we have shown in the picture.
So if you look at the picture there and hold your fingers out, okay, if you've got a keyboard in front of you, okay, make sure that your fingers are on the row with the A, S, D, L, K and J, so on the middle line there. If you've got a touchscreen device, there'll be a keypad that appears there, and use the same principle, okay, that your fingers are on the same keys. So your index finger is using all of the red keys, okay. Your middle finger uses all the green keys. Your ring finger, okay, uses all the yellow keys, and your little finger does all of the blue keys, okay, and your thumbs, okay, when we come to it, will work on the space bar and this row down the bottom here, but we don't need to worry about our thumbs just yet.
When you have your fingers in the correct starting position, practice reaching the other keys. We have colour-coded the keyboard so you can see which fingers to use. Take a look at your index finger and practice moving it to the top row of red letters and then back down to the starting position. When you have your fingers in the correct position, practice reaching the keys below. These are your home row keys. These are your top row keys. These are your bottom row keys. This is your space bar. You can use your thumbs to press it. These are your shift keys. The shift key is used to change from small letters to capital letters, or from capital letters to small letters. This will work if you hold down the shift key and the letter together. This is your delete key.
Excellent. So let's have a little look at the to-dos that I have set for you this week. Are using let's go to the to-dos actually. Easier for you to see. So we've got the right and left key letters and the right and left key words. So let's have a look at the letters first of all. Let's preview that in the to-dos.
Using the correct fingers, find the letters on your keyboard.
Okay, so we press the play here and the letters are going to come up, and you've got to use your keyboard either on if you're using a laptop, or if you're using a touchscreen device, you'll be using the keyboard on the touchscreen device to find the letters. Now you need to make sure that you're using the right fingers for the right letters. So the letter C, I'm going to be using my index finger. And then that's the full stop, so I'll be using my index finger again. That's on the bottom row. I'm looking for an N. Okay, I'm going to be using my middle finger. And an A, I need to use my little finger for the A, that's on the middle row. And an N, again, my index finger. And then a V, I'm using my left index finger. And the Q, I need to use my left little finger. And for the W, I need to use my left ring finger. And the V, my left index finger. And the C, index finger. And for the full stop, my right index finger. And so it goes on. So see how many you can get completed and see what score you can get within the 2-minute time slot. You can do that as many times as you like. The more practice, the more you do, the more practice you get and the quicker you'll become at it. Once you've had a go at that, that's it. The second to do is to do the right and left handed words. So let's have a little look at this to do as well.
Using the correct fingers, find the letters on your keyboard.
Okay, so you need to use the right fingers, the correct fingers, for typing the word. So let's have a little look. So we've got not. So for the N, we'll be using our right index finger. And the O, I'm going to be using my right ring finger. And the T is my left index finger. Okay, and once you've completed that word, you'll hear the ping, and it comes, the second word comes up there. So it's car is the next word. So the C, I'll be using my left index finger. The A is my left little finger, and the R is my left middle finger. And then the same for she, so I'll be using my left ring finger. For the H, I'll be using my right index finger. And for the E, I'll be using my left middle finger. Okay, and it continues like that. So see what score you can get, okay, in the 2-minute timer, and see if you can have several goes at that and see if you can get quicker, you can do more. Okay, but what I don't want to see is you using one finger to type all of the words. So I'll be hoping that either somebody that you're at home with, a parent or a sibling, will be keeping a beady eye on you, okay, because we'll be looking at your super typing skills. Okay, the best of luck. Okay, hope you enjoy this activity and we'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye.